My foam pad is probably going to go on top of my sleeping pad.
Yeah.
I would recommend you do that too. Alright, so it's all set up. This was a weird one. It's two plow point shelters basically side by side, making one big shelter. There's lots of space in there now. Probably too much space. And I guess I wasn't recording when I started it, so here's the fire. Not really rude.
No.
Gotcha. Any bubbling happening here? A little bit.
Did that feel hot? Like, should I be careful taking a sip, or do you think it's cold off enough?
Oh, nope, don't drink it. That's hot. That's very hot.
Sorry.
I sacrificed myself for you.
Yes, you did. How bad?
There's a burn on my tongue.
Yeah, it's like thick tomato soup.
Well, it's because I didn't put enough water in it. I shouldn't have dumped out that extra little bit that I had. Although by the time this thing hydrated, it probably would have been cold water anyways. Smoke.
Ooh. I like it. I think it's good.
Yeah, it's fine.
What tea did you bring?
Blueberry vanilla.
Did you find those along the trail?
Yes. Yeah, the pasta was good, but definitely not enough for 2 people. Hopefully this isn't too hot.
You might be okay.
Well, I'll just burn my tongue again, I guess. I'll find out. Not good. It's probably a little too cold, actually.
That sucks.
I mean, like, it's still warm, but
You missed the prime, like...
yeah, I missed my prime tea time.
What time is it? Did you look?
9:30.
I think it was 9:30 when we were eating.
We're caught on a time loop. It's 9:30 again.
No, it's not.
She doesn't have her own sleeping pad for the winter. She's going to use mine with an old foam roll that we've got. I'm going to use our summer sleeping pad. This is a 3.2 R value, and then this is 2, so I should be around 5 R value, which should be good enough for tonight. It's only -5 right now. Because she didn't have an actual winter quilt, we're double layering a summer quilt. It's rated for 2 degrees, and my summer quilt that's rated for 10 degrees. And that should be comfortable down to -10, but tonight will be a good test for that.
Uh-oh.
No,
No, it was
wasn't
unlatched.
unlatched. actually left for real. There you go, Ozzy. That's good. Surprise! I'm not taking the rest of this log. Look who's finally awake.
Did you just catch me? Instead of using the cinch straps, I just grabbed like a little indent and like wrapped it around me and then pulled the gray one over top.
Yeah.
And that was fine. The hot paws in between the socks was amazing. They were hot like all night.
Yeah, I might as well just do more. And then worst case scenario, we just
Yours you'll want to leave aside because you want to put ranch on it. What is the coloring on that?
It's burnt, is what it is. There, you're almost done.
Cheers.
It's a little late for that.
Don't eat that. It's muddy. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Stop. No. Ew.
It's fine. Okay,
Sure,
take it easy now.
Don't eat that. Don't eat that. No. Back up. Back away.
Yeah, throw it in the fire and leave. Okay, well, you were pointing a gun in my face. I vanished. Did you finish your COVID? I saw a light over there last night.
Red.
No, white.
I saw a red one.
It must be house. I'm pretty sure it was house. Just on the other side. Do you want to go sit on the point?
Over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, windy as shit.
I don't know. Oh, that's very wet. Look at the ear coat.
A dip. A dip.
Honestly, it looks like I'm holding it in the